Welcome to the UpVote app. You can download UpVote in the App Store on both Android and iPhone. Once you download the app, log in using the phone number the campaign used to add you to the system. Please note, if you do not receive a one-time code via text or WhatsApp, you should contact your campaign to check they inputted your number correctly. Once you have logged into the app, you can build your mobilization list. This is the list of contacts you personally know who you can mobilize to vote. Your first step will be to do contact match. Please ensure you enable sharing all contacts with UpVote in your settings before you start. The contact match tool compares your contacts with your campaign's voter file. It identifies potential matches from the list of registered voters in your district. Confirm accurate matches by tapping Add as a supporter. This moves the contact to your mobilization list. Use the Sort button in the top right corner to sort your results according to your preference. You can also use the search bar to check for a specific contact you want to add to your mobilization list for future outreach. If a suggested voter is not a match for your contact, tap the pink X button to remove them. Once you have matched a few contacts, they will now exist as supporters on your mobilization list. Look up individual voters in the Mobilize tab by selecting Add Supporter to search for voters by name, number, or address. This is great for new friends you meet on the campaign trail, or for contacts you have saved under nicknames that Contact Match won't recognize. See the suggested match and either add the contact as a supporter or select to be determined if you are not sure who they support yet. Select tasks or fill in additional details your campaign has prompted you to answer, and lastly, add the contact. Now that you've built your mobilization list, it's time for outreach. To initiate bulk SMS, tap the text message icon. The drop-down menu will appear with options to select everyone who hasn't voted or to select all of your list. You can also search for specific contacts in the search bar and check the box next to their name to add them to your bulk text message. Two more useful tools are the sort and filter features, so you can organize and target specific recipients based on criteria, such as political party, or filter for voters who have requested mail-in ballots, but have yet to return them, and send a tailored bulk text to urge them to submit their ballot. Once you've selected your recipients, hit Send in the upper right-hand corner. You may see templates provided by the campaign here, or you can select Edit to customize your own template. Tap Confirm to save your draft, select your preferred template, and click Next. There is a one-time download to get the UpVote Apple shortcut. Just tap the blue buttons, then navigate back to the app, and send your messages with the green buttons. In the case that one of your contacts wants to join the digital campaign on UpVote, you can go to their voter card in the Mobilize tab and select Add as Volunteer. This will allow your new recruit to log into the app with their number. Send them a text to let them know they have been added to the campaign. Go to the Volunteers tab to see their activity, contacts added, and messages sent. This way you know if they're investing time mobilizing their network or if they need some encouragement. Visit the Groups tab to view groups of voters the campaign has assigned to you for outreach in addition to the personal contacts in your mobilization list. Similar to the Mobilize tab, you can filter, sort, and search through groups and see voter turnout in real time. Keep in mind, only volunteers given manager-level permissions can create new volunteers or be assigned to groups. Lastly, be sure to check your notifications and the app group chat throughout the day. That concludes our walkthrough of the UpVote app for new users. Thanks for watching and good luck.